Yes students, now we are in page number 34. It is dividing a 2-digit number by a single digit number. Okay, we will see this example first, how to go step by step to do the division sums. Okay, now single digit number, and we are going to divide the double digit number, that is 2-digit number. See what they have given. 80, wait, 4 divided by 84. The first main point, it's going to be very important point, is going to be you are going to write the table so that you will not make mistakes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay, done. Table we have written. Okay, now the first step, this is the divisor. 4 is the divisor and 84 is going to be the dividend. 4 is divisor and 84 is dividend. Okay, and the next step, this is 4 is a single digit or a double digit number students. 4 is a single digit number, so here also we will take single digit. Okay, now in 4 table we are supposed to see whether 8 comes directly. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes, it is coming directly. So 4 2s are 8. This is going to be your second step. After second step, minus and underline. This is going to be your third step. We are going to subtract it. Now 8 minus 8, 0. This is going to be your fourth step. Now bringing this 4 down is going to be your fifth step. Okay, how many steps we are done? 4 2s are 8 minus, that is 4 2s are 8 is going to be your first step. Then minus 8 and underline going to be your second step. After subtracting, it is going to be your third step, and fourth step is bringing the 4 down. Now we are supposed to see in 4 table how many times 4 comes. In 4 table 4 comes 1 times, that is 4 1s are 4. This is going to be your fifth step. Now 4 minus 4, 0, and bringing this 0 down. Now this is your divisor, 84 is your dividend, 21 will be your quotient, R0 will be your remainder. Okay, 4 जो बाहर है that is divisor, जो अंदर के तरफ है that is your dividend, जो ऊपर के तरफ है that is your quotient, और जो नीचे की तरफ है that is your remainder. Always keep it in your mind. In each and every sums you are going to write dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay students, now we will go to next page 35. Okay, in 35 same they have given with the help of dots. Okay, now page number 36. See first one, carry out the division, write out the divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay students, now first I will solve the first one as an example. Okay, 5 divided by 75. 75 divided by 5. 75 is divided by 5. Now first we will write 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. This always keep it in mind, you are supposed to write the table. Okay, now this is first 1 digit number, so we will take one digit only. Okay, now in 5 table 7 is coming directly anywhere in the table students. Anywhere you are able to see 7 directly? 7 is coming anywhere? No. So 7 से छोटा number we are supposed to take. So 7 से छोटा number, which number we are getting? 7 से छोटा, यस 7 किसके बीच में आती है, 5 और 10 के बीच में. Then when it is coming between 5 and 10, we are supposed to take the smaller number. Now which is going to be the smaller number? 1 or 5, correct? 5 comes how many times? It is coming one time. 5 ones are 5. Second step done, underline, correct? Second step we have done. Now 7 minus 5, what is the answer? 7 में से if you will subtract 5, you will get 2. Third step done. Now we will bring the fourth step, that is we are bringing the 5 down. Now 25. Now see in 5 table, wherever you are able to see 25, कहीं पर है क्या 25? देखो, yes, here it is, correct? How many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. Yes, 5 5s are 25 minus underline. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we are supposed to write divisor. What is the divisor? जो बाहर के नंबर 5. Now dividend कहाँ पर है? जो बिगर और अंदर के नंबर 75 और कोशिएंट जो ऊपर के नंबर 15 और रिमाइंडर जो है नीचे के नंबर 0. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ we will see one more example. Fifth one we will see. Okay, 6 divided by 85 divided by 6. Okay, now we are supposed to write the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. I hope students you all might have learned table. You will not forgot now. If you have forgot, learn it so that you all can do it. Okay. Now, yes. Now this is a single digit number, so we are supposed to say take one digit only. Now students, see in 6 table, कहीं पर 8 you are able to see 8 कहीं पर you are able to see no. Yes. So 8 से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? Which is smaller than 8? That is 6. And how many times 6 comes? 6 comes one time. 6 ones are 6. Second step done, underline, minus and underline it. So 8 minus 6, what is the answer? 2. Yes. Now bring the 5 down. रिटर्न 25 तुमको कहीं पर डायरेक्टली देखने को मिल रहा है क्या 6 के टेबल में? सी इट 25 कहीं पर है क्या डायरेक्टली? नो. तो 25 से स्मॉलर नंबर इज देयर एनीवेयर? सी 25 कम्स बिटवीन 24 और 30 के बीच में 25 आता है, करेक्ट ना? अभी 25 से स्मॉलर नंबर कौन सा है? विच इज़ द स्मॉलर नंबर देन 25? इट इज़ 24. हाउ मेनी टाइम इट कम्स? 4 टाइम इट कम्स. 24 माइनस 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 2 0. Now you are supposed to write dividend. डिविडेंड क्या है? बाहर के नंबर 6. नो, डिविडेंड अंदर के नंबर बड़ा नंबर 85. वेट जस्ट अ सेकेंड. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट डिवाइजर. डिवाइज़र बाहर के नंबर 6 और डिविडेंड अंदर के बड़ा नंबर जो है 85. देन कोशिएंट विल बी 14 ऊपर के नंबर एंड रिमाइंडर विल बी नीचे के नंबर 0 1. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप स्टूडेंट्स यू ऑल माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई विल सॉल्व इट एंड शो यू. Sixth one, that is 92 is divided by First you are supposed to write the table. 7 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70. Okay. Now this is single digit number, so we will take single digit number. अभी कहीं पर है क्या 9 जो है डायरेक्टली है, नो, सो 7 वी विल टेक 9 माइनस 7 2 और 2 को नीचे लेकर आ जाओ. नाउ 22 कहीं पर है क्या डायरेक्टली नहीं है, तो इसे विच इज़ द स्मॉलर नंबर, दैट इज़ 21, दैट इज़ 3 टाइम्स 21, 2 माइनस 1 1, 2 माइनस 2 0. नाउ अगेन डिवाइज़र कौन सा है, जो बाहर के नंबर है 7, और डिविडेंड जो बड़ा नंबर अंदर के तरफ है 92, कोशिएंट जो ऊपर के नंबर 13, एंड रिमाइंडर गोइंग टू बी द डाउन नंबर दैट इज़ 0 1. ओके. नाउ वी विल गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 37.